EHang has already moved the future of transportation into the present. But we are aiming to go further. Now, our goal is to improve urban public transportation and make urban commuting safer, greener, and more efficient. EHang's autonomous aerial vehicles are safe and stable aircraft that are essential for urban air mobility. They do not require extensive flight experience. The future is here today. EHang's AAVs have unique features that differentiate them from other proposed urban air mobility solutions. Their full redundancy systems are continuously optimized to be able to respond to different situations and keep passengers safe. Furthermore, the autopilot of the AAV can provide passengers with a relaxing, stress-free flight experience powered by clean energy. The modularized EHang E-Port supports a complete automatic circulation system. Just like a transportation hub for more traditional transportation methods, like trains and airplanes. Neither runway nor ground space are required for aerial vehicles to take off and land. With this system, traffic circulation is greatly improved. This is an innovative new approach to managing traffic and minimizing congestion within urban areas. Inside the E-Port, the conveyor as well as the parking bots keep the system running smoothly. AAVs can be transported to different areas automatically for berthing, charging, and maintenance, and can be called to vertiports for the next flight. EHang's Command and Control Center enables point-to-point flights or urban routes. Managed by trained pilots, it is a highly intelligent backstage control center that coordinates vehicle dispatch, route planning, and safety for EHang AAVs to ensure that every flight is completed smoothly and safely. For us, innovation means helping people get from point A to point B faster, more comfortably, and more sustainably. In the near future, this system will work for every one of us. EHang AAVs will become an essential part of our daily life, flying us into the future of urban air mobility.